Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to select multiple objects to offset in AutoCAD. So for example, you can draw a rectangle and then I will draw a circle. Now if you want to select multiple objects and offset, we can use the ellipse tools. You can download below description. So in here I will load into the AutoCAD. You can type app load and then load for your lips software. Okay, this is lips and click load. Click load once and then you can close. Now you can use offset, press enter and then select all objects, enter again. I will click here with the offset distance like into 50, press enter and then click to offset. So it'll be offset between these two objects. Okay, I will create again, like we create a rectangle and then I will draw a line object. Now you can use the offset, select the all objects, enter again, and then I will set into 50 for the offset distance. Click at this point to offset. The next we can offset again. Okay, use offset command. I will select this object, enter, and then we can offset into 50. Now you can click here to offset into outside. So that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial, how to select multiple objects to offset.